Here's a new 2019 Maserati Levante. Born in Italy and raised in America, the Levante is literally the Maserati of SUVs. It's the most luxurious way to get from point A to, well, anywhere. It comes with great features you love. Automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, streaming audio, power heated mirrors, front heated leather bucket seats, auto dimming rear view mirror, external memory control, doors and push button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, front and rear parking sensors, and twin-turbo V6 engine. Italian craftsmanship and luxury to take your breath away wherever you go. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Contact Jim Ellis Mazda of Atlanta today or stop on by. We're conveniently located at 5855 Peachtree Industrial Boulevard.